TT3, Unit 13, page 58. Cat and couple are homeless. Couple, cat and couple. So one cat and one couple. Couple means husband and wife, but in English, couple means a group. So when we use couple, we still say a couple. A couple means 三单. Even there are two, but they still think a couple is 三单. So if I say, wow, here are three couples. So I say three couples. Means three husbands plus three wives. Something like that. 就是三对夫妻，那当然就是三个老公，三个太太。Do I say three couples? One couple, a couple, means one husband plus one wife. 那视为三单。Okay? Homeless means nowhere to go. Their home was destroyed by the cat. Germany. We already talked about this word. Germany is the country. German. German means the person, or adjective. Helen is a German. Helen speaks German. Helen comes from Germany. Okay? Germany 就是国家。German 就是德语，德国人，德籍，something like this. Okay, always a good pet, no problem. Sweet and playful. Playful means very fun to play. Sweet, cute. But the lovable means lovely. Also means cute. Destroyed. The home of a German couple. Disaster. Disaster. We have two different disasters. One is natural disaster. Natural. Natural disaster. 天然灾害. And the other one is man-made. M-A-N. Dash. Dash 就是一条横线。M-A-D-E. Man-made. Two words connected by dash. Man-made disaster. 这叫人祸。Okay, playing in the upstairs bathtub. Upstairs means on the second floor. Bathtub. Don't say bathtube. Tub and the tube is different. Tub means 澡缸。Tube means 软管，实验室里面的试管。Tube. And why we say YouTube? Because remember old television, they come with tube. 就是映像管。以前的电视又大又厚。It's because there are tubes inside the television. So that's why YouTube, they call YouTube because tube means television. So YouTube means your television. Something like this. By accident means accidentally. Turn on, turn off. Okay? Turn up and turn down. 转大转小. Turn up, turn down. 转小. Turn off. 关掉. Okay? So don't say open or close. When you're talking about, you turn on the radio, turn on television. Okay? Faucet. Faucet. We say faucet water. 自来水. Faucet water. Okay? Okay, Elsie and the water, Kalkentopf. Be careful. This is the last name for the German couple. So their last name is very different from American last name. Cooking dinner in the kitchen when they noticed, turned, ed 的发音 be careful, destroyed. The notice is 感官动词 so they notice something strange. They notice some water coming down. So notice, note 就是笔记 So here notice means they know, they pay attention, 就是注意到。Water was coming down through, be careful about the pronunciation, through the ceiling. Ceiling, don't say ceiling, ceiling. Now ceiling is inside the house. Roof is outside the house on the top. So R-O-O-F, 屋顶 ceiling 是里面的天花板。They saw a river of water. A river of water means water like a river. Water like a river means there is a lot of water. Otherwise, how come the water can be like a river, right? Okay, and they saw and running, saw 感官动词 running 后面接动名词，第二个动词 running down， so 看见像河一般的水正在怎么样流 ，so run we talk about water, we talk about time, my watch runs slowly, we use run, running down the stairs all the way into, all the way means non-stop, N-O-N-S-T-O-P, non-stop, and go straight, means run straight, all the way straight, S-T-R-A-I-G-H-T, without any curve, C-U-R-V-E, 就是没有拐弯，就这么一路直直的。So downstairs, all the way into the basement. Now we say base, very interesting. When we play baseball, we say base, because the base means 垒包. So here basement means under the ground. Okay, the couple ran downstairs. We have upstairs, we have downstairs to try to save their things, everything. What? Boxes of books means books are a lot. So there are boxes of books, 成箱的书 papers, paper here, YS, because it means document, D-O-C-U-M-E-N-T, 就是文件报告 or newspapers, 都是可数，纸张不可数，报纸文件是可数的。Okay, and there was water everywhere. Yes, so the basement is almost becoming a pool, swimming pool. So they began to empty the basement. Empty can be verb, 动词 can be an adjective. 清空 empty, 空的。Wow, the house is empty means no furniture, no people to live. Or I can say I empty my room, means I clean my room, move everything out. Meanwhile, means in the meantime. Meanwhile means in the meantime. M-E-A-N-T-I-M-E, in the meantime, 就是在同一时间。So meanwhile means in the meantime, 它等于三个字 or at the same time. At the same time is much easier. Their dinner was still cooking on the stove. Actually still cooking. This is kind of weird because we don't say the dinner was cooking, 因为晚餐不会自己煮. So the better way should be the dinner was being cooked. 因为晚餐是被煮，正在被煮。So one more time, the dinner was being cooked. cooked on the stove in the kitchen. So you can see even in English, they will make mistakes. They will use 主动 to instead of 被动 but the more correct way should be 被动，过去进行式被动。They had completely forgotten about it. Forgotten, forget, forgot, forgotten. It means the kitchen started to burn, and the flames jumped. Very good word, jumped. Ed quickly around the kitchen means the whole kitchen. The whole kitchen was burning. So the whole room means the whole kitchen, and a nearby. Nearby means very close to. Closeto, close to the kitchen. Hallway were completely destroyed. Be destroyed. Okay, passive tense 就是被动式，被摧毁。Fortunately, luckily, no one was injured. Injured. Be careful. Don't say injured. Injured. Injury. 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 Is the noun. 它是名词，就是受伤。So you can also say no one was hurt. HURT. Are now homeless, waiting until they can repair. Repair, 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 means fix. FIX, fix. Remember, they're totally true too. There used to be an article talking about the house, the new house was destroyed by a tornado. Remember? So destroyed. However, the couple they just got married and they bought the house and they felt very happy. Tried to fix the wall, right? Repair the house. So fix and repair. And water damage. The fire and water damage means damage caused by water and fire， 就是由火灾跟水灾所产生的伤害。Wow, it really costs a lot of money. If they want to, because their kitchen, the hallway, were burned, right? So if they want to fix the house, for sure they have to spend a lot of money. And he has been forgiven. Has been forgiven. Forgive, forgave, forgiven. 这是一个现在完成式的被动式。has 加 been 加 pp has been forgiven. So for sure, Robbie has to be forgiven. Or what they can do. The couple, what can they do? They punish how possibly they can punish the cat, kill the cat, and eat it. We don't know. Okay, so he is forgiven. So you can see the picture. There's a black cat. I'm not sure this cat is Robbie or not. Or the man is the couple, is the husband or not. We don't know. But actually, we can see a disaster done by animals can be so bad like this. Okay, so if you have a pet, be careful. Okay, share with you. See you next time. Goodbye.